The HHS does not recognize a single type of certification as an accredited proof of compliance. Thus, it's safe to assume that badges don't prove compliance either. So why do companies issue a badge? Why would a company post a badge on their website saying that they are HIPAA compliant? The answer can be a little complicated, believe it or not. Let's talk about how HIPAA compliance badges can be beneficial and potentially misleading. Hi everyone, I'm Matt from Tactics, and today I'm going to share the ins and outs of HIPAA compliance badges. Before we get started though, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. While you're down there, hit that alert bell icon next to it as well, so when we post new helpful content, you get notified. Now, believe it or not, healthcare is a stressful industry. Therefore, you need to do what you can to make your life a little bit easier. Badges make it easier to see who completed the HIPAA training and who didn't. After all, it could be as simple as looking at a list of names with check marks. This way you can have peace of mind that you didn't miss something related to your employees understanding training that they received. Auditing can be a headache, especially if it creeps up on you or occurs out of the blue. How do you help the auditing process go smoothly? You can provide proof that each employee took the HIPAA training that you administered. One solution is with HIPAA compliance badges. Show which employees received badges, provide evidence of the requirements an employee must meet to receive a badge, and how the badge expiration process and renewal process works. Now, badges can act as visual proof that an employee took and passed their HIPAA training for the current period of time. I say current period because HIPAA compliance for employees is temporary. You see, the HHS says that compliance is an ongoing process, and thus they don't enforce any type of HIPAA-related certification as a requirement for healthcare organizations or covered entities. Their philosophy is that just because you're HIPAA compliant now doesn't mean that your organization will be compliant down the line. If the badge has a label with the current year on it, it further helps prove that the employee maintains HIPAA compliance and actively passes HIPAA training. Patients need to be able to trust a healthcare organization. They need to know that you have their best interests at heart. They also need to have assurance that you're protecting their medical and financial information and that it's safe and secure. Having proof of HIPAA compliance helps patients feel more secure about their care. They can feel at ease that their medical records are safe and secure. After all, the doctors, nurses, and other staff members took training about the HIPAA privacy rule, security rule, breach notification rule, cybersecurity topics, and other related important topics. Certifications and badges don't guarantee compliance. Just because you follow the training and answer the questions doesn't mean that mistakes won't happen down the road. However, different companies provide HIPAA badges upon the completion of training. Depending on how they do this, they can be very misleading. If a website says that a company can become HIPAA compliant and receive a badge, be careful. The HHS website says that an organization cannot become HIPAA compliant. Only individual employees can become temporarily HIPAA certified. That's the kicker. If you'd like to learn more about HIPAA compliance and relevant training, reach out to eTactics. And you already made it this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.